fun dip.
Oh, where do we put this? Where do we put this, Peter?
Put it right here.
Yeah.
Now, Jacob, which color would you get?
Blue.
Blueberry. I got cherry.
So let's not.
Now let's open it.
This.
So I'm gonna open this first. I'm gonna open the stick.
Me too.
This is the stick. It says, like liquor stick. Liquor stick.
Like.
It looks like it stands for, it's a stick that you put the powder on and then you lick it.
I'm gonna open the powder.
So I'm opening the powder right now. The powder is red. And I think it's gonna be cherry. Cherry is my favorite. Here we
And
go.
blue is my favorite.
So I got it on. I got the cherry on.
So I got the blueberry on. Now let's taste it.
This is good. I'm gonna try one more dip. Good. And put the stick back on and let me roll the package back up. So these are fun dips. Comment down below, do you like fun dips?
Comment down below if you like fun dips.
Now, we're gonna be doing, let's see, which one would I say? We're gonna be doing the lifesavers.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. I got the scissors.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here we go. So, Jacob, which kind would you like? They
Blue.
got cherry and green apple and then grape. They don't have blueberry.
Grape.
You want grape?
Yeah. Grape is,
I think they have grape. I don't know.
that's grape.
No, they only have, oh yeah, this is grape. I would like cherry. Green apple. Matter of fact. So, this is green apple.
So this is,
Grape.
Grape.
Let's see how these taste.
This tastes like blueberry. This tastes like
This tastes like green apple.
This tastes like
Grape.
grape.
It's good. So now, we're gonna be trying. Which one will I try? Now we're gonna be trying these. They have Twizzlers, Jolly Ranchers, Jolly Rancher lollipops, and Jolly Rancher sticks, and Twizzlers pineapple. Let's get into it. So now we're gonna be trying these. This I think is gonna be good.
Yeah, we think it's gonna be good.
Jolly Rancher sticks is probably what I'm gonna try. Let's open the bag.
I'm gonna try Jolly with the sticks too.
So,
It's pull and peel, guys.
pull and peel. Thank you, Mom. So, it says Jolly Rancher. blue raspberry sticks. Since it doesn't have nowhere to cut, I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. It's really sticky.
Where do we take this?
You put this right here. It's really sticky. It's hard to get off.
No, it's not.
It's really dark blue.
Yeah, it's really dark. Yeah.
This tastes like blueberry. It's really good. Comment down below. Do you like? Comment down below which candy do you like so far. This is really good. So far, my favorite is Fun Dip and then the Jolly Rancher sticks. This is good. And we have a bag to put our candy in. I'm gonna put in the Jolly Rancher first, then the Fun Dip, then the Lifesaver.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna be trying Dum Dums.
Why is the speaker not letting me think?
Dum Dums.
Dum dum. What is a dum dum?
So, Dum Dums are like, they call these lollipop Dum Dums. I'm gonna pick mine. I'm gonna pick a different one. So I'm gonna get root beer.
So I'm gonna get
Tropical.
tropical
Drink.
tropical drink.
So we're gonna be tasting root beer. Wah! So it's brown.
This tastes like
This is good.
This tastes like a drink.
So now we're gonna be tasting something that we never tasted before.
This.
The Gummy Boogies. They have
Boogers.
Gummy boogers. They have booger flavors are snooter melon. They got sour green boogie. They got lemon loogie. Now let's taste them.
Now let's taste the ball. We already opened it. I already opened it.
Here we go.
Wow.
And they're sour too. They say they sour.
This is the sour one.
No, it's just they're different. They got different kinds. I don't know what this would taste like. So we're gonna taste it right now. Here we go. This is how they look like. They're a little sticky.
A little sticky. Oh, I can't take it. I can't eat it. Oh, I can't eat it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not that good.
It's good.
It's sour, but
Icky.
yeah, it's like icky. Yeah.
Well, it tastes good.
The aftertaste is weird.
Tastes like boogies.
Yep. So
tastes like
now
real
we're gonna be
boogies.
trying.
Real good boogies.
Yeah.
Now
Real boogies.
Now we're gonna be trying green apple.
Green apple.
Green apple's fine. It ain't all of that.
Yeah. Let's try another green apple.
Comment down. I think y'all should really try these. These are good. So, Jacob, what else do you want us to try?
I wanted to try.
We're going to be trying Airheads.
Airheads, yum. I'm gonna get.
This time we're going to be picking different colors. Jacob got orange. I'm going to get green.
So, we're all.
There we go. Green.
Oopsie.
Green apple. Water. Oh, it's a watermelon.
Do you like watermelon? Look at this. This is lemon.
Orange.
This is
Orange.
orange.
This is
Oranges.
watermelon.
That's what you're eating, guys.
Yep. Mm-mm. It tastes like watermelon. It's really good. Next off, we're going to be trying candy apples. Well, candy lollipops.
Caramel.
Caramel lollipops. Apple pops. Here we go. They smell good. I never tasted these before.
Well, they're a little bit brown.
Okay, so. They're covered in caramel.
Can you open this?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I think yours got mostly green, Jacob, but your caramel is a lot. So we're going to be trying them in 3, 2, 1, go.
Look at it. It tastes like
Real candy. It's really sticky too.
Does it taste like a candy apple?
yes.
Caramel apple?
Yeah, but the apple doesn't really stand out that much. It's really the caramel.
Yeah, you have to suck it and lick. It's really good.
Oh yeah, I can taste the apple. Comment down below. Do you how do you think this would taste? Did you try it?
Yeah.
So this is good.
Yeah, guys. Did you try it?
I never really tried these before, but they're good. Now we're gonna try Kit Kats.
Kit Kat. Where's the Kit Kat? Oh, it's down there.
Kit Kats. Oopsies. Here we go. Kit Kats.
After
They're already open.
after you pick one, then I pick one.
After this, we're gonna be trying what's on the
Floor.
floor.
Look at it. It's so yummy.
The Kit Kat's good.
Tell me to open it. Kit Kat bar.
Bye, guys. See you later. I hope you had a good time watching us. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And hit that bell button to be notified when our videos come out. Bye.